Hey there, fellow adventurers. Welcome back to the channel. It's been an incredible 6 months of exploring and camping with the Overland Vehicle Systems Bushveld rooftop tent. Today, I'm super excited to share with you my in-depth review of this beastly piece of gear that has transformed my camping experience. Let's get to it. First off, let's talk about the build quality. The Bushveld rooftop tent is a tank. It's constructed with heavy-duty materials. It's designed to withstand the harshest conditions Mother Nature can throw at it. Rain, wind, dust, snow, you name it. I've been through it all. This tent has kept me cozy and protected. Setting up the tent is a breeze. The telescoping ladder and the internal hydraulic strut make opening and closing the tent a one-person job. And trust me, when you're out in the wild, convenience matters. Speaking of convenience, let's talk about the interior. The Bushveld tent offers ample space for 2 adults. The Bushveld tent does say it's 4-person, but in my opinion, it's a 1-2 person. The memory foam mattress in the Bushveld tent could be thicker for a big guy like me, but it's definitely not a game changer for me. I just usually, I have a self-inflating mat that I put down if I really need it, but for the most part, I don't. One of my favorite features is the ventilation. The tent is equipped with large mesh windows and a skylight, allowing excellent airflow in summer nights. And if you're worried about those pesky bugs, don't be. The mesh is ultra fine and keeps everything out. Okay, let's get down to the nitty gritty. Durability. I've put the Bushveld tent through its paces. Rain, wind, snow, you name it, I've put it through and it's held up like a champ. The zippers, seams, and fabric have shown absolutely no signs of wear and tear over the last 6 months. This is awesome. All right. I also appreciate the attention to detail in all the hangers inside that are a nice place to hang your clothes or even a light. You can even buy an attic and a front entrance extension. It's like having an extra room, perfect for changing your clothes, cooking, or just lounging around. Check it out. Oh yeah, one thing. When I was researching the OVS rooftop tent, it said it came with an LED light strip, 2 pillows, and a blanket, but it didn't get the light or the blanket. Not sure if they had different versions, something to keep in mind. Okay, let's wrap this up. The Overland Vehicle Systems rooftop tent has exceeded my expectations over the last 6 months. It's rugged, comfortable, and incredibly reliable, and it's my true home away from home when I'm in the backcountry. Thank you for joining me on this journey, folks. If you're ever in the market for a rooftop tent that can handle anything you can throw at it, I highly recommend the Bushveld by Overland Vehicle Systems. It is great. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, comment, and until next time, stay adventurous.